Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot Sales Workspace. We'll start by exploring the main dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all sales activities. You'll learn to quickly access your deals, tasks, and reports, ensuring you stay organized and focused. This workspace is designed to streamline your daily workflow, helping you manage your pipeline with greater efficiency and clarity, saving you valuable time each day. Next, let's dive into managing your deals and contacts. You'll discover how to easily create new deal records, adding crucial details like deal stage, amount, and close date. We'll also cover organizing your contacts and associated companies, ensuring all your customer information is readily available. This structured approach helps you maintain a clear overview of every opportunity, allowing for more personalized and effective communication with your prospects. Now, let's boost your productivity with automation. Learn to set up powerful sequences that automatically send follow-up emails, saving you hours each week. We'll also explore how to create and use email templates for common communications, ensuring consistency and speed. By automating repetitive tasks and utilizing reminders, you can focus more on selling and less on administrative work, making your sales process much more efficient. Finally, let's look at how to track your success with robust reporting and analytics. You'll learn to generate custom reports that provide deep insights into your sales pipeline, conversion rates, and individual performance. Understanding these key metrics, such as average deal size and sales cycle length, empowers you to make informed decisions. This data-driven approach helps you continuously optimize your strategy and achieve your sales goals more effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.